Welcome to our roundup of the best wet-dry vacs, powerful and versatile cleaning tools designed to handle both liquid spills and dry debris with ease. Whether you're cleaning your garage, workshop, car, or home, a wet-dry vacuum can make tough cleanup jobs faster and more efficient. These vacuums are built with strong motors, durable tanks, and flexible attachments that allow them to tackle everything from sawdust and dirt to water and heavy debris. Many modern models also include blower functions, improved filtration systems, and portable designs that make them even more convenient to use. Let's take a closer look at some of the best wet-dry vacuums available right now. Starting with the ShopVac 2.5-gallon wet-dry vacuum, this compact model is a great choice for small cleaning tasks and quick everyday use. It features a lightweight and portable design that makes it easy to carry around your home, garage, or even use inside your car. Despite its smaller size, it still delivers solid suction power for picking up dust, dirt, and minor liquid spills. The tank capacity is ideal for quick cleanups without taking up much storage space. It also often includes basic attachments like a crevice tool and utility nozzle for added versatility. This vacuum is especially useful for users who want a simple, grab-and-go cleaning solution for smaller messes. Its compact build also makes it easy to store in tight spaces like closets, shelves, or car trunks without any hassle. It also works well for quick garage touch-ups and light workshop cleaning tasks. Additionally, it is very easy to maintain and clean after use regularly. Next up is the rigid 4-gallon portable wet-dry vacuum, a step up in both power and capacity while still maintaining portability. This model is known for delivering strong suction performance, making it effective for cleaning both wet and dry messes in workshops or around the house. The 4-gallon tank provides more room for debris and liquid collection, reducing the need for frequent emptying during use. Many versions include a durable design along with a stable base that prevents tipping during operation. It also typically comes with multiple attachments for different cleaning needs, improving overall versatility. The compact size still makes it easy to transport, while the added power ensures more efficient cleaning performance across a variety of tasks. It also offers better airflow for faster debris pickup and smoother operation overall. It performs efficiently even when handling slightly heavier debris and liquids together. Moving on to the Stanley 6-gallon wet-dry vacuum, this model offers a balanced combination of capacity, power, and usability. It is well suited for both home and workshop environments, where you may need stronger suction for larger cleaning jobs. The 6-gallon tank allows it to handle bigger messes, including heavier debris and larger liquid spills. It usually includes a powerful motor along with multiple attachments, such as floor nozzles and extension wands for better reach. Users often appreciate its durable construction and stable design, which helps it perform reliably over time. This vacuum is a great option for those who want dependable performance without stepping into oversized or heavy-duty units. It also provides consistent suction strength even during longer cleaning sessions without performance drops. It handles different surfaces smoothly without requiring frequent adjustments or interruptions. Stepping up in performance, the Vac Master Professional 8-gallon wet-dry vacuum delivers strong suction power and increased capacity for more demanding cleaning tasks. It is designed to handle larger areas such as garages, workshops, and job sites with ease. The 8-gallon tank reduces the need for frequent emptying during use, making it more efficient for extended cleaning sessions. Many versions feature high airflow performance, allowing it to pick up fine dust, large debris, and liquids effectively. It also often includes a variety of accessories and a blower function for added versatility. With a solid build and reliable motor performance, this vacuum is a great choice for users who need consistent power and efficiency for regular heavy-duty cleaning. It also supports multi-surface cleaning, making it useful for floors, carpets, and workshop areas alike. It maintains steady suction power even during long and continuous cleaning sessions. Taking the top spot is the DeWalt 9-gallon wet-dry vacuum, a powerful and highly versatile model built for serious cleaning performance. This vacuum is designed to handle tough jobs, from construction debris to large liquid spills, without compromising on suction strength. The 9-gallon capacity allows for extended use without frequent interruptions, making it ideal for larger projects. It typically includes a strong motor, durable construction, and a range of attachments that improve usability across different cleaning situations. Many users also appreciate its balanced design, which offers both power and mobility. With excellent performance, durability, and overall value, the DeWalt 9-gallon wet-dry vacuum stands out as the best option for those who want a reliable, high-performance cleaning solution. It also delivers consistent heavy-duty performance even in demanding and continuous use environments. It is built to handle professional-level cleaning tasks with ease and reliability. All of these wet-dry vacuums serve different needs depending on cleaning size, power requirements, and portability preferences. The ShopVac 2.5-gallon is ideal for small, quick cleanups. The rigid 4-gallon offers compact power with improved performance. The Stanley 6-gallon balances capacity and usability for everyday tasks. The VacMaster 8-gallon delivers strong performance for heavier jobs, and the DeWalt 9-gallon stands out as the most powerful and versatile option overall. That wraps up our list of the best wet-dry vacs, from compact portable units to powerful models built for heavy-duty cleaning. If you're upgrading your cleaning tools, tackling workshop messes, or just need a reliable vacuum for both wet and dry use, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which wet-dry vac you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your next cleanup faster and easier with the right vacuum.